Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Now, let me share with you what we're doing today. I'm going to share with you how to properly paint plastic and how to properly paint vinyl. The vinyl will be in a separate video because it's different products, of course. What do? And the plastic that I'm going to do today, this piece right here is a customer's. He wants it painted and cleaned up so he can sell it, and the same with this console here. Now, we're taping this off. I'm going to finish taping it off. I'm going over it and then cut it out with an exacto knife so that we can get it exactly the best we possibly can. You can clear coat it after you're done if you want. That's up to you. Let's make it happen, Captain. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is finish taping off the vinyl on this one. Oh, and by the way, our trip to New Orleans, it was awesome. And there's some pictures I popped in here so you can take a look at them. Start out with somewhat clean. We usually spray everything down with 99%, and then we use our prep, which is a prep spray. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description. Take it away, Julio.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
And what you do with this is you just spray it on. And wipe it off with a lint-free towel. This makes sure that you really have it grease-free. Plastic is one of those things you really want to make sure is clean. 3 light mists on here. Let it set 10 minutes between each coat. So just a light mist, wait 10 minutes, light mist, wait 10 minutes, light mist, and you keep doing that till you get it to the consistency or color that you like. It's that simple, my friends. "12 inches away, roughly. All right, let's do another coat. Gorgeous. See you in 10 minutes. All right, third coat. There you go, my friends. And it looks gorgeous.